at the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, recently, you probably noticed a lot of shootings taking place, and you hear some crazy numbers. You hear about 6 shot, 3 dead. Right? You hear about Moby, right? 8 shot, 3 dead. You hear about 5 shot, 2 dead. I'm going to tell you how this affect Jamaica's murder rate. Notice, the days when time you used to hear say look one shooting here and a one shooting there, you come like to them days they done. Right now, 87s are carrying out mass shootings on a regular basis. This is because the firepower with them have is so great, it allows them, right, to pull up on the scene, right, armed with, in many cases, rifles, right, or enough of them have handgun, whole heap of shot. Even though they are known for being very inefficient, the fact that them have so much shot and so much gun means that they might end up catch a few people. I want to show you something on your screen right now. So far in 2022, and this is before we start to include, right, what happened in a Moby when in place there with the 8 shot, right, we see there are 259 shootings, but 333 murders. Think about that. 259 shootings, 333 murders. That means, on average, more than one person are dead per shooting incident. So when you hear 8 shot, 3 dead, 5 shot, 2 dead, right? Understand that the modern day 87, the modern day gangs are so well equipped that them can pull up on a scene and say 10 people and probably all 10 get shot. It's just that out of the 10, maybe only 3 might end up lose them life. But them have enough rounds, them have enough firepower to at least injure everybody on the scene. This is a testament, right, to the fact that the days of a little one gang, right, where them a circle around the same little gun, because one time that was a thing, people used to mock, man, and say, you borrow a gun. You might have 20 man apart and you only have 4 gun, right? You might have 50 man in the gang and you only have 5 gun. And them a circle around. The modern day gangs are so well equipped that everybody in the gang can have a gun. It means that if 5 of them jump into the car, all 5 of them armed. And the last thing you want is to be on a scene, right, where 5 87s are turned up and all of them, right, are carry weapons. The few videos we've seen of some of these criminal operations, for example, in Trelawney, when man them shoot at the bus, when the 87s come around the corner and they were brandishing rifles, when you see how the bus look like a strainer. I said this to say, when people talk about getting guns off the streets, when people talk about stopping weapons from coming into the country, illegal weapons, one thing you can understand, say, it's not just, right, for the sake of sounding good. It's the fact that it might be the difference between you or somebody we care about get caught in the crossfire. You hear me talk about COB, casualty of badness, people who are directly involved in criminal activities. But me tell them, say, don't just kiss your teeth when you hear say 8 shot at Moby, 6 shot at Mar Valley. Right? Don't just kiss your teeth and say, well, they probably mix up, quote unquote mix up. Many times, even though 8 get shot, 6 get shot, enough of the time, only one somebody on the scene than did one. Sometimes 2 the most. But them have so much gun and so much shot and them have fire shot all over the place where everybody pick up rounds. So to just dismiss, right, the whole COB activity and say, well, you know, him probably mix up. Sure, but 87's not just take out him. 87's not just take she alone. They might take out the man them on the gambling table. 6 man on one gambling table, and them only want one. All 6 get shot. Then go in and want store them at start. Them only want to shoot the business owner who say not paying extortion. People in the bar, people at the store, after them shoot the business owner, or while them shoot the business owner, they must shoot the customers. So now, even if you want to kiss your teeth and say in a business will go on, right, so it go, because them should know them involved in it. What happens when you send your picnic go to a store, go buy one bread, and you don't know say the owner is currently being targeted for extortion, and you tell the man and say, he not pay no more, I'm not paying none, point blank. And your favorite criminal decides say, the man make an example out of him. And at that very moment, when you're a picnic, I buy bread, at them time the man them come. Or you go thirsty and I go buy a bottle of water, and at them time the man them come. What happens then? Remember say gunshot in the business but still be. Ammunition, don't business, right? Who mix up or who no mix up. It just go where it's pointed and fired. So when you hear say 259 shooting incidents in 2022 up until the time period on JCF's side, March 20th, but 333 people have been killed. We have to see, right, just how serious things are, and understand this. If 87s were to become more efficient, Jamaica's murder rate can double. The reason why Jamaica is having 1,200, 1,300 murders a year is because 87s are so inefficient. When they pull up somewhere and you see them shot 8 people but 3 dead, what happens when them shoot 8 people and 8 dead? What happens when them shoot 6 a Marley and all 6 dead? Them shoot 5 right, a McKinley Crescent or 4 and everybody dead. Sure, we don't want to get to the level where 1,400 murders start to sound good when we are comparing to 2,000 and odd murders. And gangs are not getting less equipped, they're getting more. So let's see the problem. When you see a peer rifle in my find, right, the whole heap of handgun, thousands of rounds of ammunition. Understand, this is not some little mini PR campaign to sound good. You know, for them little campaign where people do just cause them want to sound good and sound woke and sound righteous. No, this is serious business. The government, right, whatever them do now, them need to do more. Because the numbers them show you just how serious the situation is. Come finish the video more and touch upon something. Unfortunately, we saw another incident where a student was stopped. I was watching the video, somebody actually catch it on camera. What stood out to me is that this time, it's girls. And as I watched the video, I'm glad it was shit made. Because you see, when the boys them, right, I behave a certain way. When the boys them, I draw a knife off, stab up each other. You can chalk it down to, well, the whole, young boys and, ego and testosterone and all that and the culture. But when you see the girls them behave the exact same way, till the point where knife come out and student get stabbed. Now fortunately, the girl survived, the one who get stabbed. Police hold on upon the girl who stabbed her. As me say, all of this was recorded. So more to the understand say, Jamaican schools have a serious problem with violence. Sit down and talk to them. Because you see when they get to the stage where knife draw, Pitney get stabbed, Pitney end up dead. At that point, in many instances, it's too late. Like for the young youth who killed, right, the William Nip student, or the young girl who stabbed, right, our schoolmate. Children need boundaries, because you see when boundaries are not established in the home, when time them go to school and teachers now try to set boundaries on them, right, it gets spooky. When law enforcement start trying to set boundaries on them, it gets spooky, because them are used to that. Right? Them used to doing what they want to do in them yard. We cannot be having our boys and our girls, right, 15, 16-year-olds, right, a pick up murder charge and attempted murder charge over some little fool schoolyard disputes. Culture is civic, yes. Parents need to do more, will eat more. The whole society needs to do more, but everything starts in the home. Let me leave this one right there, so. H Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, I don't know, more life. Culture Squad, stay circling. Bless.